Welcome to the unboxing of this special coin from MMTC-PAMP. Now this is the first and only unboxing video of 10 Tola or 10 Tola coin on YouTube, so do hit that like button. Now MMTC-PAMP was incorporated in 2008 and it is a joint venture between the PAMP of Switzerland and MMTC of India. More of MTC is coming soon in the next video, so do hit subscribe button for that. Well, MMTC-PAMP has this state-of-the-art facility of minting and refinery in Haryana state of India. If you want to have a look at the facility, then there is a video in the I button on your right hand corner. You can check that out. Now MMTC-PAMP also has the license to mint the sovereign for the Royal Mint, so you can guess how prestigious this organization would be. Now this coin will be available at a premium over the spot price of silver. I bought it from Coin Bazaar and they definitely have packed it well. Now here I want to appreciate Coin Bazaar for adding 4 layers of packaging to keep my coin secure. So thanks a lot for that. Now that's a cute little bag you get from Coin Bazaar. That's the website and contact details. It is of good quality. Now you get the coin and the bill and insurance. Yes, you get a comprehensive jeweler's insurance policy for transit of precious metal. So this is the bill. I paid 5,700 roughly for this coin, and this is the insurance from Bajaj Alliance for the transit of that coin. Now they also gave me a little Potli or a bag to keep the coin, which is kind of nice. Oh wow, it's glimmering. Now the coin as well is well protected from any bumps, and the coin is quite thick. I didn't expected such a thick coin. Now let me tell you something about the Tola. It is a standard unit of mass used from thousands of years in the Indian subcontinent, from Singapore in the east to Persia in the west. And this coin right here is the latest iteration of the Tola coin in 21st century. Even Mughal Emperor Akbar pegged his own coin to 1 Tola. And later on, silver 1 rupee coin from the British Empire was also of 1 Tola. Now what exactly is this Tola business? The root word being tol, which in Hindi means to weigh, and thus the noun of this verb came out to be Tola. Well, how this obnoxious 116.638 gram number came out to be? Well, I'll tell you that in a minute. First of all, these are the real Ratti seeds, or the Rosary Pea. 96 of these Rattis contributed to 1 Tola. Now let me tell you, why did we use Ratti over any other grain as a standard unit of mass? I mean, heck, why can't I use mustard seed instead? Well, after a lot of research, I deduced to a fact of Ratti, that it is toxic in nature, and if you consume it, it is very fatal in nature. So yeah, there is a very famous saying by Stan Malhotra that if your standard unit of mass is unedible, it is a good unit of mass. Hope you get the point. Now I'll be measuring 96 Ratti seeds in grams. Now this is 96 of them, and it weighs around 10 to 11 grams. So it might be that your Ratti is of less weight. So in 1833 it was standardized as 96 Ratti equal to 11.6638 grams. It was standardized, and since then that weight is equal to 1 Tola. So yeah, interesting story, isn't it? So this was the answer to that 116.68 gram theory. Now this is 1 Ratti, and in my weighing scale it showed around 110 milligram, but it should be around 125 milligrams to be to make 1 Tola if there are 96 of them. So yeah, now this is 10 Tola coin with beautiful edges, octagonal edges, which are ridged for better grip. And as you can see in the back, there is a bag full of Ratti, which I just showed to you, that what is the reason behind it. A very good frosted image, polished as well. The quality of this, the quality and finish of this coin is just exquisite, I must tell you that. This is 99.99% pure silver. Now this is the old school weighing balance, on which on the one hand there used to be 96 Ratti seeds, and on the other the measuring quantity, the quantity to be measured. And let's weight it up through a modern scale. 117, around about 116.64 grams. So yeah, that proves everything. Hope you like this coin. It feels really premium in your hand. In the end, I would recommend you to have a go at this fine looking coin with a cool history. It is sure a conversation starter. Now there are also 5 Tola and 1 Tola options of this coin. So yeah, if you don't want to invest in 10 Tolas straight away, then you can go with 1 Tola option just to try it out. And it is just at 700 rupees right now. So yeah, a safe bet. There is a video in the I button showing you the 1 Tola option. If you like it, then do have it. And it is a good gifting option If your friend is a collector or you are a collector, then you should have this in your collection. And with a good customer satisfaction and best prices, I would recommend Coin Bazaar any day. Have a good time. Goodbye.